Rather than some of those visuals that you just saw from a very important visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi warmly welcomed US Vice President J.D. Vance, his wife Usha Vance and their children at his official residence in the national capital on Tuesday as well. The Prime Minister in fact recalled his visit to the United States and his discussions with US President Donald Trump. Further, the two leaders reviewed bilateral relations and also discussed enhanced cooperation in the energy as well as the defense space. In fact, the Prime Minister also told the US VP that he's looking forward to Donald Trump's visit. In fact, we do have Sumita joining in with the highlights and to also tell us what's on the agenda for the rest of his visit. Sumita?
Yes, in fact, I'm coming to you live from Jaipur, and if I can ask my camera person to pan across, these hoardings have come up that are welcoming the Vice President J.D. Vance. Remember, this is one hoarding, there's another hoarding here. So I'm standing right in front of Jaipur's famed Rambagh Palace, where J.D. Vance is actually staying with his family, and he will also be meeting the Rajasthan Chief Minister in a short while from now, and then he will be heading on for some sightseeing and cultural activities, including visiting the Hawa Mahal, visiting Amer Fort as well. And after that, he will be giving an address, a closed-door address to academicians, some politicians as well, a think tank people and researchers, etc. on perhaps, and that will be something that will be keenly watched out for, because it will give a broader headline, a broader outline of how US-India ties are being seen by the United States globally. Remember, this is a very, very important visit also from the point of view of the fact that there is a 90-day tariff reprieve that has been brought about by the Donald Trump administration. And yesterday we saw that meeting that happened between the Prime Minister and, of course, Vice President J.D. Vance as well, wherein both sides appreciated the progress that's been.
Thank you, Sumita, for getting us those live updates from J.D. Vance's visit to Jaipur. A very power-packed day, in fact, for the US Vice President. Now, more